Welcome back. Out here at the pump house, we're looking at it, and it's just too plain. And granted, we haven't put the batten on it yet, so it's gonna have some stripes. We got to figure out something to decorate this place with. Hang out for a minute. I'll show you what we're gonna do. So we're out there at the pump house, and we're trying to think, what can we put on that thing to give it a little bit of character? Wife brings up a good idea. Hey, we got this cow head. My son found this, my youngest son found this. Out in the middle of nowhere, hunting one year, comes across this cow head. It's got one of the horns still kind of slid on there, and the other one's totally gone. That's the way we found it. I think that could give us some pretty good character right there. Have a nice cow head up there. So I started looking at it. And that's pretty thick. I can't just put a screw through it to hold it on. And there's really nothing behind it to attach. There's no way to screw through anything to attach this to that pump house. Sit down and think about it for a little while and start looking at it. What can I do? Where can I do it? There's the base of the skull, the brain up in there. It's got holes that kind of come through here. Start looking. So yeah, I think I can do that. I think I'm going to take a piece of wire, just regular copper wire, and feed it through that hole right there, up through the base of the skull, and back down through that other hole, and then solder it together in a loop, and use that loop to put a screw and hang it. I like that. It looks good. Gives it some character. Better than just a plain front face on a pump house. That'll work just fine. So if you like the channel, guys, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Hit that like button for us. Get this video out there. Get this channel out there. Help the channel grow. And leave a comment. If nothing else, just say hello to us. We'd love to hear from you. Till next time, guys, go make something.